haven't been to Bourton-on-the-water for a long time, so it'd be interesting to see what it's like. I doubt it's changed much, but it is always busy. But it's only 7:30 in the morning currently, so we will see. It's probably one of the most popular places in the Cotswolds to go for tourism. It's always busy. It's in the middle of the day, it's absolutely heaving, but it is a very nice village, I guess, but very popular. Well, a lot of the places around here are really popular. So. We all know whose beverage that is. Didn't know that was here. Oh. I think today's going to be another one of those warm ones. They did say it could hit 30 degrees again. And I know for most people that's nothing, but this English, as soon as it gets to like 28, 30, wow, you just can't handle it. 25 for me is comfortable. It's just right at the moment. Just right. So that, up that track there, just at the top there, must be Hawkston Brewery. Well, I think this is probably the quietest morning I have ever seen in Bourton-on-the-water. It is only about 8 AM, so perfect. breakfast there. Really nice breakfast. This is definitely the quietest I've ever seen it. So that was a little wander around Bourton-on-the-water. It was a short one, but it is a nice little place. It just gets very busy. I think I timed that just right, apart from the fact that I could smell the breakfast cooking in every single place there. It smelled so good walking around. So like I said, the Croft, I've had breakfast there quite a few times. Not recently, but a long time ago, but it was a massive breakfast and it was really nice. Really nice breakfast. Used to do it most weekends. But yeah, that was Bourton-on-the-water. On a very quiet morning, Sunday. So that's it for another video. If you made it to the end, thanks for watching. See you next time.